Hello, welcome to my video tutorial. This is Sam. Alright, so I've not been doing EOS tutorials for a while, so I'll do a couple of tutorials to teach you guys one or two things about EOS. So a lot of people have the EOS on, you know, they bought it through the ICO and it's registered on different ERC20 supported wallets like MetaMask, and they don't know how to get it on the mainnet. Right, so I'm using this tool here. Okay, I'm actually on bid name. I'll do a video about bidding later. Right, so I'm using this tool here, eostoolkits.io. Alright, so now this toolkit can be used for so many things, right? You can use it to transfer EOS, you can use it to buy RAM, you can use it to sell RAM, you can look up any account name, you can use it to pay for a premium name. Alright, so um that's that. Right, so quickly let's um dive into it. So the first thing you need to do is um, import your account, right? So for you to do that, you need to install Scatter into your browser. Right now, this cannot be done on mobile devices, but there's a wallet called Pomelo, right? Pomelo that wallet was created by US Nation and one other BP like that. I'll check more. So you need to have Scatter. You need to install Scatter. In case you don't have Scatter, I will drop a video that will teach you how to install Scatter, right? So for Scatter, you just have to put your private key and it will generate your public key and the rest. So once you install Scatter, you lock it, put your password and everything, and it's open like this. Now this means it's open, right? So you can just come here. Now remember, I said I'll drop a video to how to install Scatter into your browser. All right, so you click on that is after you when you're done with um, installing Scatter, so it's connected automatically to my but I don't want it to be that way. Let me first. Okay, this was what I was expecting to come out, so you guys can see it. So I'm trying to connect to my Scatter right now, and this helps you, prevents you from always tampering with your private key. All right, so this is random raccoon 13. So now EOS toolkit, which is this website right here, is trying to access my information, so that is on Scatter. So I select identity and accept, so it's now connected. This is my username, right? So are once you connect your Scatter to this um once you connect your Scatter, put your private keys, you get your username, right, which is this right here. Hey Dan BV, this is mine. You're going to get yours, which will be written here. So this is your default username from the mainnet. Alright, so you can actually create a new name by creating an account. Alright, create a new name. So once you click create account, you can it's actually loading. You can decide to choose. Now these are free names, right? So it can be it has to be 12 characters, right? So um now these are the free names. You don't have to pay anything for that. So you put your public key, right, and you stick and you create, right? But we're not about to create, but this is when you want to create a new name. And make sure you read all the instructions here, recorded, and this transfer of owner retains staking control and blah blah blah. So you go through all that reading. To transfer EOS, it's actually very easy. So it's loading. I really don't know why the transfer is not showing, or maybe it's from internet connection. All right, so now once you once you get your account fixed, and if you're using Pomelo app, right, you will notice that some of your, let's just say Pomelo EOS voter, you will notice that some of your tokens are staked, right, by default, and you have just 10 available, right? Now to unstick those EOS, you can actually use okay, where you were using, I just wanted to show you that some are sticked, right? You can put the amount, the username, right? Okay, this is for staking, right? So you put the username and stake. Now, on delegate means on stake. This was what I wanted to explain. I just play. Okay, that's it. So the stakeholder, you put your username there, and then puts the amount you want to on stake, amount of EOS in you want to stake here, and the amounts you want to stake in CPU, right? So as you can see, okay, let's come over here. So this is network and this is CPU, right? So I have staked 25, staked 17. Yours could be different. So I can put, I remember I have 25 and I have 15, so I can put 5 here and I can put 10. That means I'm getting a total of 15 EUS from 5 from here, from one of them, and 10 from the other. That's for on delegating, and then you click on delegating. A dialog box will come up and then you accept. And sometimes when that dialog box comes up, it's where your scatter is locked. Because scatter, I set my scatter to lock in some few minutes. So let me see if it's still locked. It's actually locked because I actually set it to lock after some few minutes, put in my password, and boom, it's open. Right, so that's it. So this locked it from. Now buying of RAM, I'm going to do a video about this later. You can actually buy RAM. I bought some RAM some few days ago when RAM was 50. Oh, the video is actually getting too long. All right, so that's that about EOS your EOS tokens, right? You can use these toolkits to do a lot of things and also to vote to buy premium names, right? It's actually very easy. You can vote for your favorites. Okay, could they actually working on this, right? Okay, because I actually voted with um this right here, this wallet, EOS voter. So let me drop it down so you see the name. EOS voter. So I voted with this tool. So these are the guys I voted for currently, as you can see. Yep. All right, so that's that about. So this is the tool. So thanks for watching.